So this is just a recap for day 137, I believe. And today we ended the day up 90, but it's a very disappointing day. And the reason it's a very disappointing day is because twice I was up over 200, and what happened was didn't follow the plan, decided to take reversals, and ultimately taking these reversals actually cost me. So let's just have a look at the trades we took today. So today should have only been short trades only. And so we took a first trade there. Worked itself out perfectly on NQ. That was a short. Had a re-entry short over here. Was aggressive entry. There was no real reason to get out, but I decided to get out on the market stalling a bit. Price would have went on to hit the target. Got out. Then I went short again off FOMO after seeing prices continue to sell. Prices retraced. I thought it was a wrong decision to get in on the FOMO trade, so I decided to exit at the very highs. Price then turned around, went back in short again. So rather than stick with the original trade, took a series of trades through here. Even this trade just stayed with the trade because price didn't come to the stop. Eventually went short again, and the target from this short trade would have been down at 19,080. Took the original target from the trade that I took here, which was 19,090. I then, so I picked that one up. I went long based on prices breaking down here. Thought prices may reverse. Wrong decision. That's completely against the actual main strategy. So went short there. Sorry, went long. Saw prices stalling out. Exited for a loss. Went short again. This one was close for near break even there, but lost 2 there. Went short. Picked up the target there. This was a re-entry short. This was me going back to the main plan. And after that, what did I do? I went back to the old thing of trying to buy lows. So then went long here. So picked up 47, went long, looking for a reverse. And the market continued and stopped me out. I got stopped out there. I believe it stopped out. Yeah, lost 60 there. Then came back and took the reversal again. So reversals were costing me all day. Went reversal again, and eventually price started to slow down a bit, so exited for 24,250. Yes, similar trades. Trade 1, I believe, was successful. Yeah, picked up trade 1. No, we didn't take trade 1. We didn't take trade 1 because of Friday's low. Didn't want to short into Friday's low. That would have hit target down at 73. Came back, re-entry short. The target, I didn't actually wait for target. I actually closed early here. Then FOMO went short, similar to what happened on NQ. Price retraced, exited for a loss. Didn't hold the position, didn't get stopped out. Then eventually as price sold off again, FOMO got back in, picked up target, went long for reversal off this breakdown. Got stopped out. Well, closed that for a loss. Went long again. That was stopped out, I believe. And through here, what did we do? Did we go long again? Yep, we went long again for reversal, and again was stopped out, and eventually took this small gain here on a long, on a reversal at the end of the day. So the reversals were very costly to the P&L, RTY, and that also meant I didn't take re-entry short setups again. So not only was I adding losses, but I wasn't taking profitable trades. RTY went short on the main trade. We picked up our target. Was that right? No, we took profits because we didn't like the fact that price was reversing. Then went short at a better price because there was no reason to exit. Took profits again because I was a bit concerned that prices may reverse. Went short again. Eventually took profits, and for me, the accumulated profits would have picked up if we'd have waited for price to get down to 66.3. Because we're paying attention to NQ and ES, we missed all these re-entry short trades, which would have worked out. YM, similar story, I traded along with NQ and ES. The very first trade here was a, let's see, So went short, true setup, target was hit, re-entry short, prices came up, so I decided to close the position, thought price was going to reverse, went short again. Didn't like the price action, price kept on being bought up, so exit for break even. Saw prices break down because of FOMO, similar to what happened with ES and NQ. Went short as prices retraced to the upside. The stop was all the way up at 36. Came close, didn't quite get there, but exited right at the highs. Price reversed. FOMO'd in, picked up the target there. Another FOMO trade through here. Closed for about break even, lost 3.75 there. Went long looking for the reversal along with the ES and NQ. Got stopped out there. And I didn't take, went long again looking for a reversal and lost again. And eventually I took a reversal again and we made a small gain. So the reversals were very costly for me today. Short here on gold. As prices start to retrace, I exited for a loss. Got back in a better price. Decided to take profit. Thought prices may turn around. Went short again. And as where our prices were turning around here, because saw prices break these. Actually, it's probably here. So saw we broke the lows, came down. So we started retracing strongly. I didn't like the fact that we started to look like we were about to turn around. So exited there. Lost 8.5. And the stop would have been hit, which would have been this red line. Have a look here at the trade performance. So reversals are very costly for me today. And the problem is, I have to think I'm going to have to completely eliminate them from my trading because they're far too costly. I'm going to stick with the main strategy regardless of outcome. As we can see, the volatility in our equity curve here. And we can see there, we're up at 200K there. Drew down to 123. Then we're up again, up at 200, 202, almost 203. Drew down, had a brief rally, about 166. Then we drew down before finally ending the day at 90 here. So just below a category 10 green day. And that is pretty much all my own fault because up here, there was two very good points I could have closed and ended the day in a very good position. Continued to trade, took the reversals that were very costly and gave back a huge amount of my profits, about 110 there across the position unrealized. I think I was up at 214 at one point. That's where I noticed it. If we have a look at the summary page, we can see here barely above 1, slightly above 1, 1.29. Accuracy, I suppose that's not really a great metric to use because of these smaller wins. So largest win, largest loss, that's not great. As we can see, a lot of churn in the account. There's our gross gains, gross losses, a lot of churning. Should definitely have been a very good day. The big losses on the reversals across the three instruments of ESNQ, ESNQ and YM were very costly for me in terms of P&L. And that's pretty much it. So it's a bit longer recap today. And it's just pretty much to highlight how much trading reversals actually caused me so many problems. And it's not really the main strategy. So going forward, I'm going to try to stick to the main strategy, re-entries and so on. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.